Hello, today you will be taking a lab safety quiz. Make sure that you put your first and last name at the top of the page as well as your class period and the date. Here are the directions for the first section of the quiz. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline your keywords to help you. I'm going to read the word bank. Word bank. A, precaution. B, waft. C, meniscus. D, hazard. E, mass. F, volume. G, weight. Number 1. Measurement of the effect of gravity on an object's mass. It is measured with a scale. Number 2. Steps taken by a student to be safe in the science lab. Number 3. Amount of space something takes up. Number 4. The way to smell things in a science lab. It is done by cupping your hand and fanning the smell towards your nose. Number 5. A measurement of the amount of matter in something. It is measured with a triple beam or pan balance. Number 6. A danger in the science lab that should be reported to the teacher. Number 7. The curved surface of a liquid. Read the question and choose the best answer. Number 8. Which student is properly dressed for a lab? A, backpack, loose t-shirt. B, sandals, baggy clothing. C, dangling jewelry, hair pulled back. Or D, closed-toed shoes, tied back hair. Number 9. In which of the following investigations would safety gloves be useful? A, rolling cars down a ramp to investigate motion. B, working with unknown liquids. C, using a mirror and a flashlight to study reflection. Or D, observing earthworms in a terrarium. Number 10. A group of 5th grade students was learning about volcanic eruptions. The activity called for baking soda and vinegar. Which of the following tools should the students use to be safe? A, beaker. B, journal. C, goggles. Or D, hand lens. Number 11. Which of the tools below should be used to accurately measure 250 milliliters of water? A, B, C, or D? Number 12. Measure the amount of liquid in the graduated cylinder below and record the measurement. This says milliliters or ml. Record your measurement here. Number 13. What tool measures the mass of objects in grams and kilograms? A, graduated cylinder. B, triple beam balance. C, microscope. Or D, scale. Number 14. What is the length of the shell to the nearest centimeter? A, 3 centimeter. B, 3 millimeter. C, 32 centimeters. Or D, 32 millimeters. Here is the shell with the ruler. Number 15. Students are mixing an unknown solution. The teacher tells them to follow lab safety rules. The following practices should be observed except A, tasting the solution. B, wafting the air to smell the solution. C, mixing the ingredients as directed by the teacher. Or D, wearing protective equipment? Make sure that you have an answer for every question, and thank you for doing your best on your quiz today.